In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Workspace ID on Notion. This is helpful when you're setting up integrations, filling out a support ticket, or documenting your workspace details for your team. We'll keep it simple and stick to the exact path so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening your browser and going to notion.com. On the home page, click Login in the top right corner. You'll see a few sign-in options. For this walkthrough, choose the Google option. Select your Google account and complete the sign-in flow as you normally would. Once you're in, Notion will load your workspace, either on your last open page or a default home screen. Next, look to the top left area of the Notion interface. You'll see the name of your current workspace with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click that drop-down to open the Workspace menu. From this menu, click Settings. This opens the settings window for the workspace you currently have selected. If you use multiple workspaces, double-check that you've opened settings for the correct one before moving on. Inside the settings window, find and click General in the left-hand sidebar. The General section contains the essential details and preferences for your workspace. Now scroll all the way down to the very bottom of this page. Near the footer, you'll see a field labeled Workspace ID. That's the unique identifier Notion uses behind the scenes for things like APIs, integrations, and account-level actions. It typically appears as a string of letters and numbers, sometimes with hyphens. You don't need to memorize it, just know where to find it when you need it. If you need to use the ID elsewhere, click the copy button or icon next to the Workspace ID. That instantly places the exact value on your clipboard, ready to paste into an integration setup, a support form, or internal documentation. While this ID isn't a password, it does uniquely identify your workspace, so share it only with trusted people or services. That's all there is to it. To recap, go to notion.com, log in with Google, open the Workspace drop-down near the workspace name, choose Settings, click General, scroll to the bottom, and you'll see your Workspace ID. Use the Copy option when you're ready to paste it. If your screen looks slightly different, it may be due to product updates or your permission level, but the Workspace ID remains in the General section near the bottom. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps anytime you need your Notion Workspace ID, and you'll have it in just a few clicks.